a soldier for. You are welcome to my humble abode. I'm a beautiful embracing ground that will give you the satisfaction of your need.
Yeah.
Amen. Thank you. Today, I have plenty men who are looking for partners. And as frustrated as you are, I have found you plenty. But there is examination to do. That is looking under your armpit, if it's smelling, and see your cooking skills, your nails, everything. And then I transport you to the man. You hear me?
Yes.
Now, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Yo, all your ramen flow be tautology. If I come to school, my academy, I read your mind, neurology, question growing genealogy, I read your mind, I be psychology, tactical feeling, economy, poet, march, economy, and left,
Stand fair. That shall not fall, my queen. Stand fair.
Stamina.
My queen, yes, my queen.
Okay, and the queen will turn to the left. Now, secretary, I need you to give them the rest of the information. Pay the dues, fill the information, and then we proceed to tomorrow for the measurement to see the size and the weight. I finished my stuff.
Come to write your name. Did you bring your 1 CD?
Yes, madam.
What is your name?
Efia Bobo.
Efia Bobo.
Spell Efia Bobo, my queen.
I should spell for you.
Yeah.
Efia Bobo. JTF53W. What is your name?
Ama Santo. Why don't you wash your hands before you give the money to my queen?
Ama Santoa. Asantoa. QTH TSP.
Yes.
What is your name?
Hey, come here, Amabai. Come here,
Huh?
Amabai.
Amabai. What is your name?
Yabomo.
Yabomo.
Spell one Yabomo for me.
Why you don't have current name? Bomo. WEJQFI. Hey, what is your name? Educhumwa.
Sampa, you get husband soon.
Educhumwa PF. Sewa Ubenyabi. Are you sure with this movement? And you?
Je m'appelle Jeannette. Why can I spell Je m'appelle Canette?
Je m'appelle Canette.
Yeah, why can I spell? So
Je m'appelle. Bring your name.
Chantal.
Huh?
Chantal is your attitude.
Chantal. I need the English name.
Or attitude. So let's do question.
English name, you know, Chantal. And starting free. Yes, starting free. L.
Ama pole. On and I'm not sport there. Ubo humu so pet in